So we all know what is Amazon. Okay, so let's start promoting Amazon product. So today we are learning affiliate marketing. So you can see a lot of products in Amazon. So you can pick any one of that product and you can start promoting on your networks. So Google will be giving you the platform where we have multiple affiliate sites like Amazon. You can pick your niche and you have to start promoting. Now let me pick this. Okay, so you have multiple laptops where Amazon gives you a good % of commission on each sale that you do. Okay, so for this we should have an Amazon associate account. So let's go ahead and start creating that. Let's open a new tab and search for Amazon associates. So let's click on this. So this is a dashboard. Okay, so you need to log in with your Gmail ID. So let's click on sign up. I've already created an account. So let's log in. Now first thing is it will ask us for an account information. Then it will ask us for a website. So it is always suggestible to have a website, then you start promoting a Amazon product. Reason being, you will be selecting your niche. Then based on that you will be start promoting your content on Amazon. Then let's set up the profile. Then let's start using Amazon Associate. Let's scroll down. I have given my address. Let's scroll down. Who is the main contact for this account? The payee, that is me. So you have to give yourself. You have to select the first option. So here for US tax purpose only. So we are not a citizen of US, so it's no. We will be clicking on no and click on next. So here we have to drop our website URL. Okay, so let's drop our website URL. So I'm using Learn Digital for learning purpose. Then click on add. Now we have added our website URL here. Now let's click on next. Now we have to drop all the details here. That means we are setting up the profile. We are at the stage 3. So we have to give the store ID. So let me give my own name here. So Victor New. Okay, you can see your website URL which you are given in the previous page. Then what are your website talking about? Okay, so just a minute. So what are your website or mobile apps about? So here you have to talk about your website. So it is a digital marketing website. Okay, so I have given the briefing about my site. So you have to select your niche. So most of your people, you might have website on interiors, real estate, construction, fashion designing, restaurants, okay, or review sites. It could be of anything, or a blog. Now whatever your website is all about, that you have to mention it here. Let's scroll down. Which of the following topics best describes your website? So let's click on the primary topic. So whether my website is talking about automotive, transportation, books, business, what is it? So my business is talking about education, that is digital marketing training. I'll be selecting this option. What type of Amazon item do you intend to list on your website? See guys, there is a purpose here. I'm selling an education product, that is digital marketing. So I can focus on electronics, I can focus on books. Okay. So likewise, I can also focus on computers and office, because to do digital marketing courses, people do computer, they need computer. to upskill yourself, they have to look into books as well. People are using electronics, like let's say people are using their cell phones to learn digital marketing, LMS, learning management system. So always whatever your niche is all about, you'll be selecting all those. Now what type are your website or the mobile app? Let's click on this. So is it a comparison shopping engine or a content website, or what is it all about? So my website is a content website where it gives the corporate experience for the users here. So you can select the secondary type here. You can have the secondary type also. You'll be having the same options. You can pick or you can skip it. So let's scroll down. So now it is asking, how do you monetize your website? How do you derive traffic for your website? So I do paid search, I do email marketing, I do offline also, and I do display a campaign, I do social networks, I do forums, I do SEO, I do blogs, I do lead generation, I do others. So I do multiple form of marketing to generate traffic for my website. How do you utilize your website and app to generate income? So as of now, I am not into any of this. Okay. So you can use the first option, contextual advertising, that is Google AdSense. But actually I'm not doing that, but for the learning purpose I'm picking that. Or you can go for subscription services. How do you usually build links? Content management system, WordPress. So right now I'm focusing on WordPress, or you can focus on CMS, that is content management system. How many total unique visitors do you have website? Do you have it on the website? So I have over 50,000 to 5 lakh visitors per month. What is your primary reason for, if you're a starter, you have to pick the first option, 501 to 5,000. Which is your primary reason for, what is your primary reason for joining the Amazon Associate? Obviously to monetize my site. How did you hear about us? So here from Amazon site, online search. So I have done an online search. Based on that, I'm able to understand what is Amazon. Let's try out the CAPTCHA and let's log in. You need to agree to terms and conditions and click on the finish. Now we have successfully created a profile on Amazon Associate. So this is my unique ID, VictorNew-21. So you enter your payment and tax information. So if you want to do it, click on now. So you need to give all your details there. So let's do it. So you have to give your number. You'll be getting an OTP. Then you need to drop that OTP here. Then click on continue. Are you monetizing international traffic? You can now receive earnings in international bank account also. Click here to know more. No. So pay me on NEFT. Minimum earnings is 1000. Okay. So let's click on this. So you need to give your bank account name, that is Victor, your account details, and your bank name, and confirm, and IFSC code. Once this is done, you will be automatically get paid once you reach out this threshold. So as of now, I am skipping the payment information. Now we are successfully entered into Amazon platform.